lesson, we'll see how to conjugate the verbs ending with ER. So not all the ER verbs are belonging to the second group, but some of them, and then we'll see how to conjugate them at the present form. Okay, so we'll take an example. The example is finir. So finir means to finish. Okay, and then you can see that it's ending with ER. All right, so we'll do it like that. We'll divide it in two, so FEN, and then we take away this ER ending, all right, and we'll just keep this form here, FEN, to construct the present. So you take it and you put it here, and after that you will add this ending. So for je, it will be ES. Je finis. Remember, final S is not pronounced. Je finis. Okay? Tu finis. So ES as well, like we had for je. So same way to pronounce it as well. You don't pronounce the final S. Tu finis. Il, elle finit. So IT, final T not pronounced. Il, elle finit. So je finis, tu finis, il finit. Phonetically, it's exactly the same form for these persons. Okay, so it's quite good if you want only to talk and not to write. So just focus on this fini form. You know that it's for je, tu, and il, elle. Okay, but then for nous, so have a look. Nous finissons. Okay, I-S-S-O-N-S. Issons. Nous finissons. Finissons. Okay, final S not pronounced. Nous finissons. Vous finissez. Vous finissez. Okay, EZ at the end gives you the sound E. Okay, finissez. Finissez. Vous finissez. Ils finissent. So remember, as usual, when we get the verbs E-N-T not pronounced. Ils finissent. Elles finissent. Alright, so let's see them one more time. Je finis. Tu finis. Il finit. Elle finit. Nous finissons. Vous finissez. Ils finissent. Elles finissent. Alright, let's take another example. Unir, to unite. Okay, same rule. We just keep this UN and then you spot the ending, you take it away, and you will keep the UN to construct. So, j'unis, same way. Tu unis. Il unit. Elle unit. Nous unissons. Vous unissez. Ils unissent. Elles unissent. Okay, so it's the same, exactly the same. So, same group, same way to conjugate it. Okay, let's take choisir, third example. You spot it, ending with ER here. Choisir means to choose. Okay, then same way. Je choisis. Tu choisis. Il choisit. Elle choisit. Nous choisissons. Vous choisissez. Ils choisissent. Elles choisissent.